Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tri Aini. I'm from PBI 3, the 6th semester. And in this video, I will explain about the micro teaching in this 10th class. And the title is the complementing and congratulation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. How are you today? Who is secretary for the class today? And who is not present today? And secretary, please send the name to who are the not present today on WhatsApp. Okay. Before we start our class meeting today, let's pray. Start. Finish. Okay. Today we are learn about learning English, and so before we move to the next material, there is something that the understood in our material last week about self-introduction. Okay, if you nothing, Miss will be explain about self-introduction. That the self-introduction is a form of experience and expression used by the individual to introduce themselves. Okay, understand? Okay. So today we learn about congratulation and complimenting others. Before Miss explain, raise your hand who was you know the definition of congratulation and complimenting. Okay, nothing. If you nothing, okay, look at the 67 page of our book in your book. There is a picture of the peta concept or concept maps. This is congratulation and complimenting. The congratulation have the expression and response, and complimenting has expression and response. Okay, before we get to understanding what is the purpose of the learning congratulation and complimenting. Okay, Miss will be explained. So the objective learning congratulation and complimenting is, the first one is student can conditional the right time in giving congratulation and praising. Jadi siswa dapat mengkondisikan waktu yang tepat dalam pemberian ujaran, dalam memberikan selamat. And then the second is the student can distinguish which experience of congratulation and which are the expression of praise. Siswa dapat membedakan dengan baik mana ungkapan selamat dan mana ungkapan memuji. And the third is the student can determine provide the expression of the response according to the context. Jadi siswa dapat menentukan ungkapan dan respon yang tepat sesuai dengan konteksnya. And the last is the student complete of the conversation with the right, the expression or the response. Jadi siswa dapat melengkapi sebuah percakapan dengan ungkapan atau respon yang tepat. Okay. Explain, this is the purpose of the studying congratulation and complimenting in everyday life. And now let's move in the definition of congratulation. The definition of the congratulation is, in English, we usually use the word congratulation as of the expression in pronouncing the success, or the congratulation is one of experience used when you want to say the success or good a moment to others. Jadi dalam bahasa Inggris kita biasanya menggunakan kata congratulation itu sebagai salah satu ekspresi atau mengucapkan suatu keberhasilan, atau congratulation itu merupakan salah satu ekspresi yang baik ketika kita ingin mengucapkan keberhasilan atau momen baik kepada seseorang atau orang lain. And that they are the expression of the response that we can use to conversation relate to congratulation. Jadi di sini ada ekspresi dan respon yang bisa kita lihat atau yang bisa kita gunakan dalam sebuah percakapan. Yang pertama yaitu congratulations, congratulations on your success, happy birthday, happy new year, happy anniversary, and extra dan lainnya ya. Jadi and the response is responding to congratulation is it's a very good of the say you to say so, how nice of you to say so, thank you very much for saying so, and I'm glad you're saying so, and etc. So further understand, there are some who want to ask, and if not, we will continue about so congratulations have the meaning of the congratulation. The first is the conditional congratulation have the different meaning when used, such as the first one is that the use of congratulation for message or word the context congratulation to someone. Jadi penggunaan congratulation itu untuk pesan dan kata yang berisi ucapan selamat kepada seseorang. Contohnya, many people send the congratulation to the national items. And the second is use congratulation on the something you say when you want to do congratulation to someone. For example is congratulations on your graduation. And the last is the use of congratulation on the action to congratulate someone. For example is she sent him a note of congratulation on his educational achievement. So you understand? Paham sampai sini? Kalau sudah paham, kita lanjut ke contoh. So look at the example in this book. Okay, Miss will be right and listen. You understand? For example, is Ririn. Happy birthday, Ulfa. And Ulfa, thank you, Ririn. Do you get many gifts today? Yes, I the special one is from my mom's. And wow, what is? It is a watch. Okay, congratulations, Ulfa. Big thanks. This is the oversay of the expression of the congratulation, and what we must say with the also what Ulfa say, and also one of the response in responding into expression of the congratulation. Okay, and we also have to be able to use our expression when you say something, such as smile and careful to others. And there is one way to make the congratulation with such a bad expression. Okay, so if you already understand, we are someone want to the ask, will continue. Okay, and the last is we enter to definition of complementing. Jadi kita akan masuk ke definisi complementing. Okay, a complimenting is a giving praise to someone. Basically, a complimentary experience is one expression of praise to appropriate the someone or the something. And complimenting give a will usually encourage toward being praised, so that the feeling you pleasure with usually appear along with the being giving praise. Jadi complimenting itu adalah memberikan ujian kepada seseorang. Jadi pada dasarnya complimenting itu adalah ungkapan pujian untuk mengekspresikan seseorang atau sesuatu. Pujian yang biasa diberikan biasanya akan memberikan hati atau hal yang pujiannya membuat seseorang itu senang atau bisa muncul beriringan dengan diberikannya suatu pujian kepada seseorang. Okay, there is one of the expression of the complimenting. There is the upper French. You are beautiful, and at yours, I love you. the new jacket, and you make me feel so loved. I was really nice of you to help me, and etc. Okay. And the next is example of the complimenting. Okay. This is the example of the dialogue complimenting. Tina, wow, you look shining with Farah. Oh, really? Thank you very much, Tina. Okay, no problem. You will also look good in this dress. Thank you. And the seller, hi guys, thanks for watching. Oh, what's the beautiful dress? The color is sweet, your skin well. Thank you, you guys. You are also pretty tonight. Okay, and so Afia, they understand that there is the something to be asked. If you know there is, this is one of the question. Okay, these are the 10 questions. So you guys work in this question and get her. And Wednesday in can uh, you do homework at the WhatsApp group, and but we'll discuss about number 1 and number 2. Okay, and number 1 is Tom. Come on, I don't like you to take a lot to my new apartment. Wow, that's what's nice interior designs and blah blah blah. And thank you very much. What is the answer? And this answer is C. I love it. And the second is your speech in inspiring. And John, thank you for performance in It's Not So Bad. And what is the type of the response used in the dialogue? And this answer is I, the showing the surprise. Okay, students, understand? I think it's very clear. The what is I understand, and so that this conclusion for the today this lesson is the congratulation and complimenting is there are a very different things, but the a purpose to decide the positive things, but the key in the mind of the congratulation is the right expression when you want to say the congratulation, and smile the complimenting, and while the complimenting is the experience used to praise, give the flattery and do others. Okay, Miss, I think that's the enough for the today's class meeting today. And if you are around what, and I'm so sorry, stay at home and do this question, and the material is about the text procedure or the procedure text, and see you next time, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.